Hello, my beautiful ladies. Let's learn this beautiful soft glam look for any small occasion or party. So let's get started. First, use the toner according to your skin type. Since I have a dry skin, I'm going to use PLUM's toner, but you can choose the toner according to your skin type. Next, I'll be moisturizing my skin with CETAPHIL's moisturizer. It's again used for the dry skin. You need to use the moisturizer. Again, select it according to your skin. Whenever you are applying moisturizer, ensure that it's absorbed into the skin. So give yourself a good 1 to 2 minutes massage. Make sure that everything is into the skin. If you have a dry skin, you can skip the primer. So I have skipped it here. Next, I'm going to use Forever 52 concealer and corrector palette. And you can see the shades which I'm going to use today. Today, I'll be mixing the corrector and concealer. And this way, you can minimize the time taken to apply your makeup. Plus, it is very convenient. You can see that I have taken very less amount of corrector and concealer, which is 2 shades darker than my skin tone. So only concealer 2 shades darker, yeah. And mixing it well with the spatula. Once it is done, apply it under your eyes, around the mouth, as these are the areas which are generally pigmented. I've got some pigmentation around the cheekbone area and also on the lid area. So I'm applying here as well. So wherever on your face you have a pigmentation, you can apply it. Next, you need to take a damp beauty blender and blend everything seamlessly so that everything is covered. Because that is what we want to do, right? This process of applying concealer and corrector is also known as neutralizing. So we are neutralizing our skin tone, and here it goes. Finally, it's done. So you can see now I do not have any obvious pigmentation on my face. It's all settled now. So we'll move on to the next step. The next step is to apply foundation for today's look. So I have used Kryolan's Supra palette, which has a cream foundation. I have used the shade FS38 for myself. You can choose any shade which is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. The best part of this foundation palette is that you do not have to buy highlighter or contour separately. You can use the shades available in this palette. Now with the help of spatula, I'm taking off the product which I need to apply on my face. Please take small amount first. Later, if you want some extra, you can take it out and then you can use it. Do not waste the product. Using the plate and spatula, we need to emulsify the product so that its natural oils are being released and it can go on the skin very smoothly. Now let's apply the foundation with the help of a finger. You can see how I'm applying it. Now we need to blend everything. So make sure you're using gentle dabbing motion with the blender while you are blending the foundation, as you can see in the video. So that it increases the spreadability of the foundation and gives a smooth natural finish. As you can see, this foundation is cream based. It has a creamy texture. So it helps it to blend smoothly on the skin, allowing for easy application. This palette is formulated to be gentle on the skin, making it suitable for sensitive skin as well. So even sensitive skin people can also apply. It gives a buildable coverage from light to full depending on how much layers you are building. So if you're just applying 1 or 2 layer, it's going to give a lighter coverage. If 3, 4, it is going to give you a full coverage. Next, I'm using PAC's Banana Loose Powder to set the foundation. Always remove excess on the back of your hand and with the help of a powder puff, gently apply all over the face. Take extra care while applying it under the eyes and around your smile lines, as we do not want any creasing here. So if you see any creasing, first use the beauty blender and blend the foundation. So remove all the lines, and immediately after that you need to seal this area with the powder. the way I'm doing it. Now let's move to the contouring and highlighting part. You can see the shades which I'm using from Forever 52's palette. Lighter shades for highlighting and darker shades for contouring. The placement of the contour depends on the face shape basically. So if you want to know more about it, do let me know in the comment section so that I can make a separate video on it. Since I have a square face, I am going to place the contour right in the middle of the cheekbone. So from the top of the ear till the eye corner. I hope you can see in the picture. Under the jawline, I'm going to apply some around the corners of forehead and on the side of the bridge of the nose. After this, I am going to blend everything till all the harsh lines are blended perfectly. Now for highlighting, I'm going to use the lighter shade. Now again, do not use just the white or very light shade. Just use a shade which is maybe 3-4 shades lighter to your skin tone. And you need to place it right above the contour where you have placed on your cheek area, some on the forehead, chin, and some on the bridge of the nose. And then you have to blend it perfectly. Ensure that you do not have any harsh lines of your contour or your highlighter. Once it is done, we need to set once again everything with the PAC's banana powder or a loose powder. You can use any loose powder for that. Now, after this, let's move to the brows. So now I'm taking Benefit's brow pencil to fill in my brows. It is one of the best brow pencil as it's very pigmented and glides smoothly over the brows. Make sure to use a dark brown shade even if your brows are black. If you have a dark brown eyebrows, then use medium brown eye shade pencil. Make sure you follow your natural brow shape. However, you can make it little thick if you have sleek brows like I have. So don't forget to use a spoolie as it will give you a natural look and will smoothen any harsh lines which you have just created. Now let's move to the eyeshadow. I'm going to use Morphe's JAMESCHARLES palette. It's no more available in India. Now, if you do not get this eyeshadow palette, you can buy a similar palette from Forever 52's, which is Infinite 34 color eyeshadow palette. And the code is India Echo Brow 001 multicolor palette. So, IEB 001 multicolor palette from Forever 52. Using this light shade on the lid area and softly spreading it. We have to do this to set the product which was already applied on the lid area, and usually it's the concealer. Next, I'm going to use the dark brown shade from this palette and applying it in little angle like a wing on the outer corner of the eye. Do not extend it too much, just keep it there. However, if you want elongated eyes, then yes, you can stretch it. Taking another soft flat brush to blend everything close to the lash line and keeping it till mid of the eye only. Now to soften the edges, I'm using fluffy brush to blend everything like this. You can see how it looks. You have to do the same. Now I have taken MAC's Vanilla Loose Shimmery Powder to apply on the lid area or in the middle part of the lid. You can use any shimmery shade from any eyeshadow palette as well. Do not apply it on the outer wing area. We need that to show the little wing which we have just created on the outer corner. Now I'm taking this vanilla shade with the finger, and with the help of that I'm just going to pack some color onto my mid eyelid area. Trying to spread it with the finger only, but if you want to use the brush you can do that. However, you can see how I'm spreading it with the fingers. You can do the same. After that, take a small smudger brush and take some loose shimmery powder on it and apply it on the inner corner of the eye and gradually pull it towards the mid of the eye closest to the lower lash line. This gives an effect of an open eye. Next, I'm using Forever 52's black gel eyeliner and eyeliner brush. Starting from the mid eye till outer corner, I'm drawing a line closest to the lash line. And for the lower lash line, I am drawing a line from outer corner till mid of the lash line. And after this, taking a smudger brush and blending everything perfectly on the lower lash area and also giving some touch on the upper lash area. Now remove any fallouts with the help of the powder brush. Once that's done, use Forever 52's Kajal pencil and do the tight lining as I am doing. So you can see how I'm doing a tight lining. So you have to do the same. Now apply this Kajal pencil only on the latter half of the waterline. So from the mid to the corner waterline area. Next, curl the lashes. It is a small yet important step which we need to do as it gives eyes a lifted look. Now I am applying some false lashes where I already applied the glue and waited till it turns blue for the fast addition. Make sure you place the false lashes very close to your natural lashes for the natural effect. Okay. Next, I'm using some liquid blush from Forever 52 in the shade of JCB002 and applying it on my cheekbones with the finger in a dotted form. You can use the brush if you want. Also, just add a dot on the chin and forehead. Next, I'm taking a brush and blending it. To make it more soft and natural, I'm going to use Beauty Blender to blend everything with the soft hands until desired look or shade is achieved. So now you can see here how it is being done. Next, I am using Ofra's multi-highlighter palette and using this golden shade only on the brow bone area to highlight this. Lastly, using dark pink lip pencil from Swiss Beauty and filling some color on the lip from Love's Peach Mojito lip shade and blending everything with the help of lip brush. That's all. We are done finally. Here is the complete look. Do let me know if you have any questions, suggestions, or even a feedback for me so that I can work on it. Thanks for watching, all my beautiful ladies and amazing girls out there. Hope to see you soon with the next video. Do let me know what look you want. Thank you.